H is produced by relaxing your vocal instruments, opening your mouth and exhaling hot air. Examples: hot, huge. You must use your thorax to push hot air from your lungs. Part of the hot air comes from your lungs. To make sure you do it correctly, you can say hot, hot. And to remember to do it correctly, just put your hand on your chest. Hot, hot. Can't do it? Bring in the Scots. Scottish enunciate the letter H beautifully. Sample sentence: I'd like some hooch. So you can say, I'd love some hooch. Hooch. Use your lungs and your mouth to produce the sound. Remind yourself about the sound by touching your chest. Awesome! Let's move on.